Wealth is more than just money, it's a state of mind, it's about abundance, opportunity, and freedom. When you have a wealthy mindset, you attract prosperity. You see possibilities where others see obstacles. You believe in your ability to create financial success. Think of someone who transformed their life through sheer willpower. They started with nothing but a dream. They faced challenges head-on, never giving up, and ultimately, they achieved incredible success. This is the power of a wealthy mindset in action. You have that same power within you. It's time to unlock it. It's time to embrace a mindset that attracts wealth and abundance. Are you ready to step into your full potential? Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to stay updated. Your mind is a powerful tool for creating wealth. It holds the key to unlocking your financial potential and achieving prosperity. It's made up of two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. Each part plays a crucial role in shaping your financial destiny. Your conscious mind is like the captain of a ship. It sets the course and makes decisions. It is responsible for your goals, plans, and actions. Your subconscious mind is like the crew. It carries out those decisions and steers the ship. It works tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that your actions align with your beliefs. But here's the catch. Your subconscious mind operates based on your beliefs. These beliefs can either propel you forward or hold you back. These beliefs are often formed in childhood. They are shaped by your experiences, the people around you, and the messages you received growing up. They can be positive or negative. Positive beliefs can empower you, while negative beliefs can limit your potential. If you have negative beliefs about money, your subconscious mind will work against your conscious desires for wealth. It will sabotage your efforts and create obstacles in your path. The good news is, you can reprogram your subconscious mind. Through consistent effort and positive reinforcement, you can change your beliefs and align them with your financial goals. You can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Techniques such as affirmations, visualization, and self-reflection can help you transform your mindset. By aligning your conscious and subconscious minds, you create a powerful force for financial success. This alignment enables you to pursue your goals with confidence and determination, ultimately leading to prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for more insights on mastering your mindset for riches. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is like learning a new language. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to embrace new ways of thinking. Just as you wouldn't expect to become fluent overnight, rewiring your subconscious for abundance is a journey that unfolds over time. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Daily practices, such as journaling and engaging in activities that challenge your mind, are essential. These habits help to reinforce new neural pathways, making positive thinking more natural. But the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the joy of achieving your goals, and the satisfaction of knowing you have the power to shape your reality. Celebrating small victories along the way keeps you motivated and focused. One powerful technique is using affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. They help to reprogram your mind by replacing negative thoughts with empowering beliefs. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. By doing this, you start to believe in the possibilities and opportunities that lie ahead. This shift in mindset can open doors you never thought possible. Another effective technique is visualization. This involves creating a mental image of your desired future. Visualization helps to align your subconscious mind with your goals, making them feel more attainable. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Picture every detail vividly, from the sights and sounds to the emotions you would feel. This practice not only boosts your motivation, but also trains your brain to recognize opportunities that align with your vision. See yourself as wealthy, abundant, and free. Envision the lifestyle you desire and the freedom it brings. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind to accept and create the abundance you seek. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and accomplishment. Emotions are powerful drivers of change. By feeling these positive emotions, you reinforce the belief that you deserve and can achieve abundance. Gratitude is another key to unlocking abundance. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. This shift in perspective can attract more positive experiences into your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. This simple practice can transform your outlook and open your mind to new possibilities. Each day, Take time to appreciate the good in your life. Whether it's the love of family, the beauty of nature, or personal achievements, acknowledging these blessings can enhance your sense of well-being and attract more abundance. Finally, challenge your limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs often stem from past experiences or societal conditioning. By identifying and questioning these thoughts, you can replace them with empowering beliefs that support your financial goals. Identify those negative thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. Write down your limiting beliefs and then consciously choose to let them go. Replace them with affirmations that reflect your new positive mindset. Remember, you are in control of your thoughts. You have the power to choose thoughts that serve you and support your journey towards abundance. Choose thoughts that serve you. By consistently practicing these techniques, you can rewire your subconscious mind to attract and create the abundance you desire. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for more content on mastering your mindset for wealth and abundance. Section 4. Affirmations. Speaking wealth into existence. Words have power. The words we choose to speak, whether aloud or in our minds, shape our reality in profound ways. The words you speak to yourself become your reality. They influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions, creating a ripple effect in your life. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind and attract wealth. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. These should be statements that you truly believe in or aspire to believe in. Repeat them daily with conviction and belief. The more emotion and sincerity you put into your affirmations, the more effective they will be. For example, you can affirm, "I am a money magnet." This statement reinforces the idea that you attract financial opportunities and prosperity. Wealth flows into my life effortlessly. This affirmation helps you to believe that financial abundance is a natural and easy part of your life. Or, "I am worthy of abundance." This statement is crucial for building self-worth and recognizing that you deserve financial success. As you repeat these affirmations, feel the truth of them in your heart. Visualize the outcomes you desire and imagine yourself already living that reality. Consistency is key with affirmations. Make it a daily practice to reinforce these positive beliefs. Make it a habit to start and end your day with positive affirmations. Write them down, record yourself saying them, or meditate on them. The more methods you use, the deeper the affirmations will embed in your subconscious. The more you immerse yourself in these empowering words, the more they will become a part of your daily thought patterns. The more you'll attract wealth and abundance. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and your external reality, leading to greater financial success and fulfillment. Section 5. Visualization. Picturing your path to riches. Visualization is a powerful technique used by athletes, entrepreneurs, and successful people in all walks of life. It's about creating a clear mental picture of your desired outcome. When you visualize yourself as wealthy, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Where do you live? What do you do? Who are you surrounded by? Make the images vivid and detailed. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and accomplishment. The more you engage in visualization, the more you program your subconscious mind for success. Make it a regular practice. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals, big or small. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for more tips on mastering your mindset for riches. Section 6. Gratitude, unlocking the flow of abundance. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can emit. When you're grateful, you acknowledge the good in your life. This opens you up to receive even more abundance. Practice gratitude daily. Start a gratitude journal. Write down all the things you're grateful for. Focus on the present moment. Appreciate the simple things in life. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, you attract more of what you desire. Gratitude isn't about ignoring challenges, it's about choosing to focus on the positive. It's about appreciating what you have while you strive for more. Section 7. Embrace your wealthy future. You have the power to create a life of wealth and abundance. It starts with your mindset. Embrace the power within you. Reprogram your subconscious mind. Use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude to shift your energy and attract prosperity. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your financial dreams. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams. You are capable of amazing things. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, leaving a comment, sharing, and subscribing to get future amazing videos.